Hey there, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make this elegant blue crystal bracelet at home. This is a beginners friendly design and perfect for spring fashion trends. I will show you step-by-step process of creating stunning handmade jewelry pieces that reflects your unique style. Whether you are a complete beginner or just looking for a new hobby, this video is perfect for you. If you are new to my channel, then please consider one like and subscribe to get more tutorials like this. Let's check the material list. So we need some blue rondelle crystal beads 4 mm, seed beads 11O, clasp and jump ring, an extension chain, beading thread 0.20 mm and beading needle number 10. Now let's make it with me. So take about 160 cm long thread for the 6-inch bracelet and then pick up 6 rondelle crystal beads size 4 mm and drop it down to the end of the thread. Then simply go back through all 6 beads here. Now tie a few secure knots here. Now pass your needle through the next bead. Now pick up one seed bead size 11O and then pass through the next crystal beads here. Again pick up one seed bead and pass through the next crystal bead. So in this way you have to complete the circle. This time pass through the crystal and one seed bead here. According to your convenience, you can turn off the subtitle or CC button in your YouTube settings anytime. Now it's time to cut off the extra tail thread here and then pick up 4 seed bead size 11O and then pass through the next seed bead here. Again pick up 4 seed beads and pass through the next one silver bead here. So in this way we have to complete the circle. If you have time, you can check out my shorts videos also. So many easy and aesthetic jewelry making shorts tutorial out there. You can see I just completed the circle. Now it's time to step up through the next 2 seed bead here. Now pick up one silver bead and pass through the next 2 silver bead here. I'm gonna make the closer loop here, so that's why we need to pass through the crystal bead here. If you found this video helpful and you want to pay something as a gift, now you can donate me by clicking thanks button in my any videos. It's really motivate me to make more videos for you. Now step up through 3 seed bead here. Now pick up 4 seed bead size 11O and then pass through the top 1 bead. You can reinforce at this point. You can see the closer loop is ready. Now pass the needle through next 16 seed bead here. If you are new to my channel, then please consider subscribing. I post videos and shorts in beads jewelry making like seed beads, pearl beads, crystal beads and bracelet, necklace, earrings, finger rings, etc. Now I'm gonna make the next unit. So pick up one silver, one crystal and one silver bead and then pass through the 2 silver bead in the top. Then step up through the next one silver bead and the crystal bead here. Now pick up 5 crystal beads and pass through the previous one. Pick up 1 silver bead and pass through the next crystal bead. You need to keep adding 1 silver bead in between crystals. So this is the last time, so this time you need to pass the needle through crystal and 1 seed bead. Now pick up 4 silver seed beads and pass the needle through the next 1 silver bead here. Again pick up 4 silver bead and pass through the next 1 silver bead. In this way you have to complete the circle. To make the next unit, we need to reach to the top through this way. Pass the needle through 18 beads here. Simply repeat this step to grow your bracelet. As you can see, I just completed mine. Now I'm gonna make the closer loop to the another side. So I pick up 1 silver bead and pass through the next 2 beads here. Then pass the needle through the crystal beads here. Now step up through the next 3 seed beads here. Now pick up 4 silver seed beads and pass through the top 1 bead here. You can reinforce at this point. Now step down through the next 2 silver beads here. Secure the end with couple knots here. Now cut off the extra tail thread here. Now it's time to attach jump ring and clasps. Now attach jump ring and extension chain to the another side. So the bracelet is ready. Thanks for watching till the end. If you love this design and enjoy the tutorial, then please consider one like and subscribe just to show love and support. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.